This is absolutely delicious and the perfect snack food. I hope you can give this recipe a try. If you like my channel, please remember to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!